Alright.
Why are we such idiots?
I don't know, bro.
Take the next left onto LaRue Road, then turn right onto Clinton Road.
Right here.
Oh, am I in the
Take
wrong
the
lane?
next right onto Clinton Road.
I think this is it. This is
And here we go.
Oh my god.
Dude, look how
Continue on Clinton
pitch
Road for
dark.
5 miles.
There's houses here.
Here's a few houses,
There's
yeah.
a few houses up here.
People live in these houses?
Yo, it just got dead. Then it. Oh my god. Bro.
Dude, that is pitch black.
I know.
There's a Clinton Road here, right?
Hey, we're on Clinton Road.
No, we are all.
We're on it.
Are you sure we're on Clinton?
Oh no, we are. We are. Look at it. It's getting. Bro. 35 miles an hour.
I'm gonna lie. This
No, isn't this Coventry Road?
No, there are other roads connected to Clinton.
Okay. Because there was a narrow, sketchy path down there, and I wanted to make sure we like.
God.
Yep.
Oh no! Don't do that.
Yep.
Let's not die tonight, dude.
Remember my whole thing about like once I get here I'm fine? Oh, I am not fine. I am not fine. Like,
Should I go slower, guys?
No.
keep the speed.
Hell yeah.
No, what's that over there? Is
There's
that
a red
car?
light.
That's a pole.
No, there's a red light right there.
Is that a,
That's not a red light. That's some.
No, there's a red light right there.
No, it's a reflector. It's a reflector.
Oh, okay.
There's still houses here.
Okay.
Yeah, there is still houses.
The houses get more and more scarce as we go.
Those houses look sketchy as fuck.
Okay, who would want to live this far on that road?
To be honest,
I'd be pretty cool.
yeah, I would actually. I would live here.
I wouldn't.
I would not.
That's a sketchy house.
That was a sketchy freaking
That was
house.
a sketchy ass
I didn't even
house.
see the house, to be honest.
Oh my god.
Don't.
Oh, the Clinton Ironworks. Clinton Ironworks.
Don't stop.
Bro, there's a trail right there.
Can we keep going? There's a trail.
Does anyone have a flashlight?
It's just
going.
Just keep going.
keep going.
Go! Drive! Drive!
Go.
Is there anything out there?
Bro, I'm scared. I'm
Drive!
go.
I just got anxiety.
I did
Getting
too.
Anxiety.
Oh my god.
Lock.
No, here's a bridge.
This isn't the bridge. This isn't the bridge.
Are you
Okay.
sure?
Yes.
All right, then.
Look at it. Look at it going up and down.
Does
Stay
anyone-
on the road.
Oh
Stay
my
on
god, does
the
anyone
road.
else smell sulfur?
Yes, the Ironworks.
Why would there fucking be a smell of sulfur in ironworks?
Right.
For a shut down ironworks.
It does smell
Sounds
like.
like rotten eggs.
That's the
That's
smell
sulfur.
of sulfur. You know the thing that demons use?
Yeah.
Because these are satanic rituals happen in Clinton Road. There is.
I don't not. Oh.
Ryan, we are not getting out.
Keep
Go, please.
Don't
This is
ever-
what I was talking about by the curves. It's just kind of.
Ryan, can we stay in the car the whole time?
Yeah, no.
We have to get out. We all said that we
No,
would.
don't.
We
I'm
really
not getting
don't
out anymore.
Dude.
Oh.
The trail.
No, just
Oh
Keep
no.
going. Keep
Don't
going.
Oh no. Side of
Who
the
made
lane.
this fucking road?
Clinton people.
Damn Hillary.
Anybody see ghosts?
It's a trail. Bro.
Ah, this is nerve wracking.
You're in the middle of the seat.
Yeah, look at this. We're not. Oh. What is this?
What is that?
Oh my god.
That is a truck.
That's a truck.
That is a.
Okay, keep going.
That's
Keep going.
not a
He just
truck.
turned off all his lights.
That cop.
No, keep going. It was.
That is a cop.
Was
I
it?
think it was just a random car.
No, it was definitely a cop.
No, he was just using all his KC lights. He was good.
Wait, weren't we supposed to talk about a Corvette?
Camaro, I think. It was a Corvette. It's supposedly the legend goes if you talk about it, it will appear. So,
The Camaro.
Yeah, it's a
I
Corvette
wish
or a
music was
Camaro.
playing right now.
There's a reason. No, I feel like it's more nerve wracking.
Some Chevy. Camaro, Corvette.
I have the urge to like.
I appreciate the yellow signs.
The yellow signs even make it more concerning.
Yeah, I know.
It's definitely like.
This is probably where people
Is
have
this the
probably
bridge?
died. Is it all? Is it the bridge?
I don't know. I think.
Is it the bridge? It's the bridge? No.
I don't. All right, listen. We're gonna drive back. If this.
We gotta look up pictures of what the bridge looks like.
It's not the bridge.
It's not the bridge?
Are you
All right.
sure, Alex?
It has concrete on it.
I do not know.
Like an old time bridge is supposed to look like?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, fuck.
Bridge looks like there's a guardrail.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, here's a bridge.
Is this it? Is this?
This might be it.
It can't be.
This could be it.
Jesus.
No, this isn't it.
Wait,
Where?
there's a memorial.
Oh yeah, this is it.
This is it?
This is it.
Oh, I'm so scared.
I honestly don't want to be here.
Do you want to pull over to the side?
I don't want to be
Okay,
here.
Okay, let's go.
Me and,
Pull up to the side. At least stay in the road.
Give me your flashlight.
guys,
Give me your flashlight.
I will.
What is that up there?
Lights.
Okay.
Oh, unlock door.
Right. Yep.
All right, here we go. Let's go. All of us, let's go. Come on.
No, I'm saying go.
Big thing. Do you want me to lock the doors?
I would lock the door.
All right, I'm on.
I'm gonna need you to unlock the doors.
Where's the unlock button? Is it lit up?
Listen, if I unlock the doors, I'm gonna have to turn off the lights. You understand that, right?
Huh?
Alright, good.
Oh, wait, what you say?
How the fuck does this work?
I can't. I won't be able to.
No trespassing, private property, permit only.
Oh God, Michael.
There's a car. There's a car. There's a car. What the fuck? There's a car coming. There's a car coming.
Oh my God.
Let it pass. Let it pass.
I wanted to see us.
Holy shit. Oh. Oh! Let's turn it off. Okay,
Okay.
we're good. I'm not scared anymore, honestly. Let's go.
I'm keeping the lights on. Okay, where did we see that memorial? Over here?
Right. Right there.
Alright, let's read it.
Hold on, I got it. Hold on, camera lens. You gotta. The camera lens
Can I
is.
see that flashlight, actually?
No, here, I got it. I have to see what I'm looking at.
I don't like this, man.
Here it is.
Is that even the right bridge?
I don't know. Sorry, guys. I gotta stop cursing. What is down there? Oh, there's a dam. There's some trees down. I hear another car. I hear another car! It's another fucking car!
That's the car.
There's another car!
Probably some bad.
No, we're in the middle of the road. There's no side of the road.
So can someone look up if this is the right fucking...
Yeah, see, it's the same bridge.
Look at the memorial.
Like that memorial.
Whoa, come out with us. It's not that bad. Once you get to that bridge, there's nothing that can get us. Come on. I promise you. I'll be your bodyguard.
Fucking bitch.
Do you want to hold the flashlight? Yeah. No, actually no, because I need to see what I'm recording.
What is this?
It's a trail. Oh, it's a bench.
Yeah, fucking scary bench, guys.
Prevent Lyme disease.
That's scary.
Fuck Lyme disease.
I don't like this.
Why am I doing this?
Because you know the bridge. You know it. Is this it?
Do you even know the bridge?
Yeah. I've seen tons of videos about this road.
Is this the bridge?
I've read up.
Is there any pennies on top?
Look over the bridge.
There's nothing. Oh.
All right. I don't know why I thought that'd be a good idea. I definitely don't have service.
Sean's being a bitch.
Guys.
This is what it looks like, guys.
Penny.
All right, let me see.
Penny.
All right, here we go. Here's the penny truck.
I heard it. I heard it hit. This isn't the bridge.
Are you sure?
Is there water down there?
Yeah.
There's water. Hold on. What about over here? Maybe this side?
Penny.
Can I see a flashlight, please?
So you need this one?
Yeah, I just wanna...
Alright, as you guys can see, there's nothing. There's our taillights there. Here, I'll look over with the camera.
I'm putting my seatbelt on.
See some. I'm putting the windows down then.
Oh, wait, all right.
Yeah, I'm putting the windows. Oh, no, that's
That's not nice. I feel like this...
It probably wasn't the right bridge.
There's 2 more cars in the road.
Yeah, there's 3. 4.
3.
No, it was 4.
Oh, yeah, the one right.
The one.
Raise your window.
Give me a
You
break.
say roll down your window?
Put it up.
I'll put it wide.
Because Ryan's a little girl.
I'm gonna keep mine down.
What was that?
It was
Wait,
a
wait.
rapper.
Wait,
That was a
happened?
what?
It was a rapper.
A rapper?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you guys saw something.
I thought I did too.
How does this not